Very unfortunate indeed. Hopefully, this issue of firefighters' delays and all that needs to be sorted in the city. Governor Sakaja, over to you. Now, Ugandan opposition politician Kizza Besigye has appeared in a military court in Kampala a day after his wife Winnie Bayayima said he had been kidnapped in the neighboring country of Kenya, right here in Nairobi. Now, Besigye, 68, a doctor and a critic of President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, was brought to the Makindye Central Court Martial under heavy military escort. He's accused of being in possession of 2 pistols and soliciting logistical support in Uganda, Greece, and other countries with an aim of compromising the country's national security.
At exactly 1 p.m., amidst tight security at the General Court Martial, a speeding mobile prison van guarded with 2 patrols of military police arrived. On its arrival, 2 individuals, Dr. Kizza Besigye, renowned opposition politician and activist, and one Obed Lutale Kamlegea, were ushered out and into the court-martial walls. But before charges were preferred, Besigye and Obed Lutale Kamlegea told court that it had no jurisdiction to try civilians. The tribunal then inquired if Besigye could be represented by the state if he had no lawyers, something he objected.
I am not a member of the UPDF, and I believe that I should be tried by a civil court if I am suspected of having...
He told court he had not yet issued any instruction. This presented a conundrum of Besigye appearing without representation. The tribunal was adjourned for 15 minutes, and when it resumed for charges including possession of firearms, offences related to security, possession of a pistol model 27 KAL, a preserve of defence, and possession of a pistol model HB 1014 1953 were preferred against him. The 2 accused pleaded not guilty to the counts.
Are there, Dr. Kizza Besigye, have you had understood the charge read to you on count 3?
I have.
Have you accepted or don't accept?
Don't.
His lawyers questioned the court on why they would try the accused on matters committed outside the jurisdiction of Uganda and UPDF Act. But the state objected to this, citing charges of service offences which overwhelmed the defence.
This court has got no universal jurisdiction for the entire world. That would be stretching the jurisdiction of this honorable court to levels of absurdity.
Lukwago asked the chairman, Brigadier General Freeman Mugabe, to strike the charge sheet termed as duplex and set the accused free without any conditions. Lead prosecutor, however, asked the tribunal to dismiss the defence prayers.
The accused persons have been illegally produced before you. Pray that you be pleased to strike out the charge sheet, dismiss the case.
Dr. Kizza Besigye and his co-accused are expected in the court-martial on 2nd December for mention and were remanded to Luzira prison.
Besigye